Good with it, y'all. We back at it again. Next day, next vlog. Another day, another dollar, another opportunity to reach them goals, man. Young Addy the shooter in the cut. You know how it's going on, man. Right now, we about to head to a few stores, pick up some items. Y'all know how it go, man. We live in all kinds of crafting stores. Michael's, Hobby Lobby. Let me focus the camera. All that kind of stuff. So we heading to Hobby Lobby. We gotta go to the mall, pick up some shoes, and fill out the raffle for these ones because we need that. Yeah, I'm gonna cut that out. But you man, shoot, y'all just follow us, man. And God, that moment got light. The light keeps switching up. But y'all just follow along, man. This gonna be a fun-filled day. We just got a pair of shoes done, and I'll show y'all those in a second. But right now, let's head to these places. Leggy. Alright, just left up out of Hobby Lobby. We got the shirt we need to complete this order. So now it's on to, what we going to the mall now? Or Walmart?
Probably the mall first.
Alright, now we finna head to the mall. I'm gonna do a little recording in there. Hobby Lobby is like, I wasn't gonna record in there because it was like, come on, it's not that interesting. But I mean, if y'all wanna see that kind of stuff, definitely let me know in the comments. Y'all wanna see everything, like the whole day, literally everything I do. You know what I'm saying, pertaining to business and all that. Let me know. I gonna start showing it, but I'm gonna film in the mall for sure. Show y'all how we get these kicks and all that good stuff. So, let go. Alright, man, we done put up at the mall. Slight drip check. Let me see. Oh, snap. Oh, dang, the light shining through. Hold on. Yeah, you know, Nike Switch 13s on the, what they call it, Court Purple 13. Yours truly, Cadet hoodie is soon to be dropping this month. It should be dropping on Black Friday, so you know, yeah, gonna cop that when you can. Addy in the cut, Addy the shooter, where you at? What you got on, bro?
You know, just something to keep me warm.
You know, ball all day. Y'all go cop y'all merch, man. This guy here. Look at this guy, y'all. Right place, right time, man. We finna get this early review in, my dog. Yeah. Boy, Addy the shoot. Hey, this junk looking crispy right now.
Yeah. He did.
No, I did.
You did?
I just unsuccessful so far trying to find these forces. It's pretty difficult. But it's cool. We saw an early pair of kicks. I couldn't get it on film, you know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to risk my boy job and everything like that, but man, we just gonna keep it moving.
I was about to pop my phone out and go like that.
Look at this.
But I ain't want to be petty because, you know, that'd be working with it.
Yeah, for sure, man. We showed that's the same store we hit on the raffle for the 12. So, you know, we gotta show them love, you know what I'm saying?
I respect that, John.
Yeah, of course. You know, but let's keep it going. Now, what you was saying, bro? Hold on, right now. What you was saying about?
So we got our hands on our 4th pair of 12s.
Yeah.
Combined 4 pair of 12s, and you know, I got 3. You know, I don't have them, and then I got 1. Yes, we do. From the top dog. Hey, if you're watching this, bro, I appreciate you for real. But they kind of gave me the look. I was like, yeah, I got the 12. She said, no. And the other girl's like, hold on, let me go check. I think we do. And the girl's like, yeah. So then, dude, he was like, what size you looking for? I was like, shoot, what size you need? He was like, what size you want?
He tried. He really tried it. I feel him though. Shoot. Hey, too. You know what I'm saying? These resellers messing up the game, but my boy done became one on. Look at him.
I think I just ran into another one.
Facts. On me.
Trying to keep them on ice.
Facts. I might have to go give me another pair. Cause y'all know I already got my pair. My personal pair, bro.
Cause he said, was it for both of y'all? As if he had
yeah,
for both. So
I don't know, man.
I might go trying to get him, man. Just walk through that mall and took the deal like that. Sorry. bounce back. Oh, you didn't think I knew you was recording? Oh, this bounce back finna be crazy. Got a pair of soul today. Although we may sell sneakers, I never sell my soul.
Just leaving the mall, man, and it was a bit weird. At the little Champs deal, that was kind of weird, but I mean, hey, successful nonetheless. You know what I'm saying? What you think, Eddie?
I don't know, like we was just talking about, it's a little awkward because I was just like randomly, hey, I got the 12s to 2 girls. One girl's like, yeah, hold on, let me go check real quick. Another girl's like, no, we don't got them. Like she tried to hush her real quick, and I was like, another girl's like, oh, well, let me go check and see what's up. She's like, well, you know we don't got them, right? And the girl's like, well, hold on, let me go talk to dude. So dude went in the back, and then another dude came in, and he was like, was y'all the ones looking for the 12s? And I was like, yeah, what size you got? And he was like, what size you want? And I said, well, what you got about? He's like, what size you want?
Yeah.
And I said, all right, I told him the size, and then he came back out, and he just had them up to the side, walked out, and bought them. But the thing is, I was like, it was kind of awkward, like how hush it was. And then the weird thing that we were saying is, if y'all got a full size run in them, why are they not out?
Why are they not out, bro? There's some shice going on. It really reminded me of, I mean, I know I go back to, but this is what I know. It really reminded me of like buying dope. You know what I'm saying? It's like almost like a code to get what you want. It's like, you know what I'm saying? Hey, I want this or whatever. And you gotta say, you know what I'm saying, basically, you know what I'm saying, who done sent you, or, you know what I'm saying, how you know what I'm saying?
Then they accidentally said all the correct passcodes.
Facts.
When you come in, don't ask for the size, just say what you got.
Yeah, facts. How much you want? That was basically like the whole. Oh my goodness, it just got bright. That was basically like the whole little deal.
It worked out, man.
Yeah,
shout out to all y'all, man.
Yeah, man.
I may not know why y'all went about business that way, but we were still able to do business, so it's love.
Yes, sir. I'm really contemplating getting me a pair, or another pair, cause I want a pair to paint sleep. I don't know.
You think you can flip a pair of those?
Painted 12s?
Yeah.
It won't be the first time I did it. Hey, he don't know, y'all. He don't know we flips, we drips. But we finna head to the Walmart though, man. This battery finna die, so I'm finna chain the clip and I'ma let that thing ride.
What we going to the Walmart for again?
We going to the Walmart because Walmart has, some groceries and stuff. Once again, it's on, man. I had caught some little Panda Express earlier after we left Walmart. A little grubsky. Shipped I shipped some off to a client. Then now we about to shoot some everyday Negroes content. Dude up effing. Look at dude. Y'all see the ambiance. Oh, it's crazy in here. But yeah, man, we finna handle that, man. Y'all make sure y'all check the channel out, man. It's a fun channel, man. But I'm gonna check back in with y'all once we get done with this.
So,
right now we just chilling. Well, now I'm chilling. I'm gonna be honest, I'm chilling. Head over there in the cut.
yeah, that's probably Trey down there.
So we about to film some more everyday Negro stuff after this. Right now I'm watching the sneaker content, seeing what upcoming releases coming and all that kind of stuff. Y'all can barely see that. But man, I'm gonna check back in once we get done with filming some more. We good with it, y'all, man. Getting up in that little morning. I've been up actually. Man, I'm about to go hit the gym. I gotta get back active. I'm trying to get my body back right to be able to be the amazing athlete that I am. So I'm trying to recover from this little knee injury and all this. So I'm finna hit the gym, finna record some everyday Negro stuff. So I'm probably not gonna take y'all to the gym, but once again, like I said yesterday, let me know if y'all want to see that kind of stuff. You know what I'm saying? Then I'll do it. But I'm finna go and handle that, then come back and we gonna get it going for real.
Oh, when Hellbound drops tonight.
You know, yeah. Man, it about that time, man. We finna go watch Ace drop 50 on they neck. You know, yeah. Ball all day on chest and on lead. You know, yeah. Young Eddie in the cut holding the light for me. You know what I'm saying? Young Eddie in the cut, you know what I'm saying? Helping a young brother out, young novice cameraman out, man. But we finna go watch Ace drop 50 on these folks, man. Hopefully they can come out with the W. Let's just see what happens.
Number 11, Mark Mayroom.
Because I reached
Oh, for those of y'all who
and
are,
YouTube teached. Man, what's going on, y'all? It's another day, another opportunity to live and glorify the Lord. My brother Addy over here. Brother Addy. Hold on.
y'all who are
What you doing over here, young brother?
Trying to hear.
Let me get the lint out your head, man. See, my brother's keeper.
if y'all want to be notified.
Making sure, hold on, let me brighten this situation up, man. Oh, that darkened it.
Yeah. We about to talk a little bit.
What's going on over here, man?
I'm just trying to work on my edit, just trying to hear what the edit saying.
Yeah. Dre, what are you doing over there?
There's a few characters that we got.
Oh.
Detective.
This is what I meant to. This is why I picked up the camera. And today I had to bring y'all something, you know what I'm saying? A little bit of knowledge. Sometimes it takes a level of ignorance. And not ignorance, you know what I'm saying? You know it's the difference between ignorant and ignorance, the actual meaning. You know, it takes a level of ignorance
Subscribe.
to not be ignorant. You know what I'm saying? Let me explain.
Subscribe if y'all want to be notified.
My brothers are over here, you know, editing, getting their work in, you feel me? All that great kind of stuff, being the magnificent people that they are, hard-working men. But me, I'm not that great at editing. So, you know, it's a certain things that I can't do and speeds that I don't have with editing. So I was wondering, like, okay, how can I help my team? You know what I mean? So I asked a question that spiraled and was a ripple effect. Can I help my brother Dre edit at the same time he's editing?
I need some. I got some.
And then,
Can you turn the phone down so I can finish the edit? I need some help with that.
and then, hey, watch out, bro. And then after that, you know,
The discussion now. So
of course,
subscribe if y'all
there
want
was
to be notified for those of y'all who about to.
there was a no. You know what I'm saying? There was an immediate, nah, I don't think that's possible. But then, brother Driggity Dre, Drowsy Dre, said, hold on now. I saw something maybe a week ago with Adobe, and I believe it may be possible on that software. So brother Addison was like, whoa.
They say police don't use guns over there.
Brother Addison was like, whoa. I have Adobe, right? So we might need to, you know what I'm saying, explore that. So after that, you know what I'm saying, my boy Addy was like, you know, I like Adobe, but DaVinci is my first love. So that's when we got the research. Hey, watch out, bro. Watch out. This is my story. Watch out, bro. So what happened was, y'all, my arm just got tired. This camera a little heavy. I ain't used to this vlog. Like, you know what I'm saying? I ain't been on them curls. Big body ain't in the gym right now. But I'm gonna get back. But so, research was done. In a matter of an hour, my brothers had figured it out. Now all three of us can edit at one time. But that shows you, you know what I'm saying? You know, it's something in the Bible, right, Brother Addison, if I'm not mistaken. You know, having childlike faith. I guess he doesn't like that.
I didn't know if I could talk or not.
Yeah, go ahead, bro. Ain't there something in the Bible about, you know, childlike faith and stuff like that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Would you like me to quote a few of the scriptures for you?
Yeah, go ahead.
I'll be back.
Okay, he gonna be back. But what I'm getting at with that, man, is a lot of times children are ignorant. Children may be ignorant to things, but a lot of times their ignorance
Hey, Geek, hold on. Listen to this. Did you get that on camera?
Okay, he's foolish. I'm going to cut that out. That's wild right there, y'all. That's wild right there. That is insane, actually. See, this man messing up my whole list sermon or whatever. That's crazy.
Had to get you some good ASMR, man.
Captain Foolishness right there at your service. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? Children can figure things out just because they have
I'm
faith.
putting my headphones on. I gotta work.
So, with that being said, the one who is the worst editor amongst us.
I didn't give you that title.
Oh, I'm giving myself that title. I'm far worse than them. They are professionals. I am a beginner. But the one who is the beginner figured something out, had an idea that's gonna elevate all of our lives. Now, Brother Addison, would you agree with that?
What's up, bro?
Oh, he's hating. Okay.
No, I legit didn't hear you.
Wow, he's okay.
No, I legit didn't hear you. I was trying to edit.
I was saying, the one who is the novice came up with an idea that will benefit all of our lives. Is this true, Brother Addison?
You planted a seed that me and Dre had on the shelf for a while.
Okay.
I would say you planted a great seed. Matter of fact, to all Geech's subscribers out there, Geech is a very talented, innovative, creative, thoughtful young man.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give Geech his flowers while he's yet alive, man. Geech, we appreciate you, man.
Yes, sir.
You have increased the workflow for the everyday Negroes, I must say.
Yes,
and
I
for
have.
that, I would say thank you. Now, please let me get back to work.
Okay, foolishness. But the thing is about that, y'all, how he's gonna get back to work. Now I can get to work with my brothers and knock out this edit all at once. Yeah.